ನನ್ನಪ್ಪ ನಾ ಕಂಡೆ ನಿನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಜ ದೇವರ ರೂಪ. ಓ ಅಪ್ಪ ನನ್ನಪ್ಪ ನಾ ಕಂಡೆ ನಿನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಜ ದೇವರ ರೂಪ. ಈ ಪಟ್ಟೆ ಬದುಕಿನ ಶ್ರಮ ನಮ್ಮೊಂದರ ಸಾಗಲು ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ. ಈ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ನನಗೆ ಬಾಳ ಸುಮಾರ್ಗ ಆಹ ತೋರಿದೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಒಂದರ ಗುರಿ ಸುದೀರ್ಘ. ನೀ ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಹೃದಯವಾಸಿ ಕಾಣದೆ ಕಣ್ಣೀರಿಟ್ಟೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಣ್ಣೀರು ಒರೆಸಿಯೋ ಅಪ್ಪ ನನ್ನಪ್ಪ ನಾ ಕಂಡೆ ನಿನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಜ ದೇವರ ರೂಪ. ದಿದ್ದಿ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ನೀ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಈ ಬದುಕಿಗೊಂದು ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆ. ಆಹಾ ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಗಲು ಬರಿ ಪದಗಳೇ ಸಾಲಲ್ಲ ನಿನ್ನ ಹೊಗಳಲು. ನೀನಿರುವೆ ಎಂದಿಗೂ ಸದಾ ನಿಸ್ವಾರ್ಥಿ ಬದುಕಿನ ಜಯಕ್ಕೆ ನೀನಾದೆ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ. ಸುಖ ದುಃಖದ ನಿನ್ನ ಬಾಳ ಕದನ ನ ಮಾಡುವೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಕೋಟಿ ಕೋಟಿ ನಮನ. ಓ ಅಪ್ಪ ನನ್ನಪ್ಪ ನಿನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಜ ದೇವರ ರೂಪ.
ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದ ಮೊದಲ ವೀರ, ಬಾಳು ಕಲಿಸಿದ ಸಲಹೆಗಾರ, ಬೆರಗು ಮೂಡಿಸೋ ಜಾದುಗಾರ ಅಪ್ಪ. ಹಗಲು ಬೆವರಿನ ಕೂಲಿಕಾರ, ರಾತ್ರಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚೌಕಿದಾರ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿಸುವ ಸಾಹುಕಾರ ಅಪ್ಪ. ಗದರೋ ಮೀಸೆಕಾರ, ಮನಸ್ಸೇ ಕೋಮಲ, ನಿನ್ನ ಹೋಲೋ ಕರ್ಣ ಯಾರಿಲ್ಲ ಅಪ್ಪ. ಐ ಲವ್ ಯು ಅಪ್ಪ, ಐ ಲವ್ ಯು ಅಪ್ಪ, ಐ ಲವ್ ಯು ಅಪ್ಪ, ಐ ಲವ್ ಯು. ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದ ಮೊದಲ ವೀರ, ಬಾಳು ಕಲಿಸಿದ ಸಲಹೆಗಾರ, ಬೆರಗು ಮೂಡಿಸೋ ಜಾದುಗಾರ ಅಪ್ಪ.
My father is very best and my father is working hard and what we say will work for us.
one word. I love you, father. My father's name is Subina. I am proud of my father. He was the best father in the world. Happy Father's Day. I am his best friend. I am from Shishani. I am father of his son. I love my father. He was I love my father.
Today I'm going to talk about my father. First of all, I like to wish him Happy Father's Day. I love my father. He's a real hero for me. He too loves me, and I love him so much. He has done many sacrifices for myself, for me, and I like him to Happy Father's Day.
So please consider having that today. And I love my father and he was lovely. If he had been university, he was as hard. He was hard activities in school. Good morning, and myself, and I'm very today I'm happy that I was with them. Happy Father's Day to my father. I love him so much. He's my hero. He always helped me and he will me. He loves me too. Thank you. First of all, I wish you happy Father's Day. My dad is my real hero. He's one of my biggest supporters. Whenever I need something to do, he's the one who stands first. My name is Vera. I wish my father happy Father's Day. I love my father. He loves us. Now listening to my father in my world, he will give my love, concern, everything in my hero. My name is Aditya. I'm very happy Father's Day. I love my father. I'm very great. Happy Father's Day. I love my father.
My father is hardworker, and he is my best friend. I love him. Happy Father's Day.
Good day. My father is my supporter and my hero. Good morning, everyone. My name is Vishnu. Today I'm going to support my father. My father is my real hero. He is my supporter and he is my inspiration. Good morning, my name is Vishnu. My father is my supporter. My father is my real hero. I am inspired of my father. My father is my hero. My father is my
My father is hero. Happy Father's Day.
My father is my hero. I love my father. My father is my father is my father is my father is my
Good morning everyone. I am from Grade 8 from Sri Lanka. I know my father.